Hey guys, let's continue. I'm happy you have made it this far. So now we are going to go to the next section. Okay, as you can see, at least these sections are not that heavy. Okay, so first of all, let's start with this artwork. Okay, I was chatting with my friend about this creating this Netflix web page, and then he was concerned about this part. Okay, he couldn't like some sort of get it how it's going to be done. Okay, so I was like, okay, since I can see that this is some sort of tricky to people, so as I always say, as a developer, you need to know a thing or two about a designer so that you can stand out, so that you can be unique. Okay, so this is a combination of graphic design skills and coding, okay, to come up with this awesome some sort of page or section. Okay, so then again, I will always some sort of advise you to always check my YouTube channel, which is Coded UI, so that you can learn more skills. My apologies about that. So that you can learn skills to be able to pull off designs such as these. Okay, so let's just take something from the internet. I've found this mockup. Okay, so we are going to create our own this. Okay, so that we can use it here. Okay, so let's jump straight into that. Let's copy this. Okay, you are going to see it's easy than you think. Okay, I've just pasted this here, as you can see, guys. So the quality is not that great, but it will do the job, I think. Okay, but the quality is not exactly what I'm looking for. I hope I can get some sort of a lookalike, even if maybe, oh, I think now the quality is better. Okay, let me check again. Okay, let's see. Okay, it looks like, but it's okay. Let's use this one, even if the quality is not good. That's not a problem. So we are going to make use of some design skills here to quickly make this work. Okay, let's quickly do this. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. Okay, at least it's coming all right. So I'm going to create this shape here, and I am going to make some rounded corners. Okay, some rounded corners, as you can see, because I don't really see where this ends. Okay, so I'm trying to create my own from what I see. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to trim this nicely. Okay, as you can see, I'm getting inside as much as I can. Okay, I'm trying to get inside as much as I can. Obviously, guys, I'm not going to be like super accurate, but I'm just showing you a combination of graphic design skill and front end skills, how far these can take you. Okay, there are some designs that other developers won't be able to pull off simply because they don't know a thing or two about graphic design. Okay, as you can see. Okay, and then going to end this here. Then, so these are two shapes, as you can see. There's shape 1 and shape 2. Shape 1 and shape 2. Okay, cool beans. And then what I want to do, since this what can I say, since this picture is pixelating, as you can see, it means that we cannot rely on this picture like for this. Okay, it's so we will need to some sort of recreate it. So the first step to do, or the first thing to do, let's take this image, or let's fill it with a color. Okay, as you can see, this has a color. Let's take the bottom image. I'm pressing the top one and shift pressing the second one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to some sort of combine them. Okay, create a union selection. As you can see, now it looks like it's just one thing. So what I'm going to do, I am going to send this to the back. Okay, send this to the back, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, let's see what I'm going to do. Let's see. Okay, that means I will copy this, and then this will be fine, will be here. Okay, I'm happy with that. And then let's see what I want to do. Let's see. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to create another box inside. Okay, another box inside, the one that will some sort of imitate the screen. Let's quickly do that. As you can see, guys, let me zoom in as close as I can. Okay, I will see what I will do with other things. I'm happy with this. Now let's make this some sort of rounded just a little bit, okay, so that it cannot be like sharp. Okay, just rounded a little bit. Okay, I'm happy with that. And I'm going to cut this. Okay, Control X, I'm going to cut it. I know in the background there is an image, or sorry, a shape. So now I'm highlighting the image and that shape. Or I forgot one thing. Let me take this image and send it to the back. Okay, send it to the back. As you can see now, this image is here. Let me paste this box here, as you can see. So now what I want to do, I want to take the red shape and the white shape. I want to subtract the white shape from the red shape, something like this, as you can see, guys. Okay, now we've got this. Okay, I am happy with this. Now what we want to do, we want to what can I say, let's take this image. Okay, because as you can see, if you can double click on it, you can see that these images are not combined. Okay, they are not welded together. So when you click on them and flatten them, okay, you are creating a one image, okay, one file, okay, out of all of this. It's some sort of a combination. So what we want to do, we want to mask, let me make it black. Now we want to mask the image using this. Okay, and let me send this to the back. Okay, send to the back. Nope, it didn't go. Let me, okay, I think it did. So let me highlight everything and mask it, as you can see, guys. Okay, now we've just got that image. Nice. Okay, as you can see. So what we want to do, we are going to fit a video here. Okay, and as we are going to fit a video here, we don't know the dynamics of whatever that we are going to do. So this screen is too, what can I say, is too thin. Okay, let's check here. It's too thin. It might reveal some other things that we really don't want to be shown. Okay, let's see, it might reveal some other things, or maybe we can use it as is. Okay, then we will see. Okay, but I wanted to make this a little bigger, and also I wanted to make it equal. Okay, something like this, guys. Let me just quickly show you what I mean. That means we are creating our own reality. Okay, this is what the cool things that designers make. Okay, the cool things designers make, as you can see, you will see now. I'm going to create my own reality. Okay, let's say something like this, and then let me remove the fill color and let me add a stroke. Let me change the stroke color to a noticeable color, and then I am going to increase this, you see. So that means I'm creating my own, and the one that I have created now, it's more like perfect. Okay, it doesn't have those some sort of imperfection. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this and sample this black color here. Okay, as you can see, guys. Okay, this is like perfect. Okay, What else can we do? That one is unnecessary. Okay, there's no need for us to add some gradients and other things. So now I'm happy with this. At least this is perfect. What can I do? What can I do? Let me highlight everything and save this as an image. Okay, this is a PNG. I'm happy with that. Okay, I am supposed to group everything. Control G so that this can be some sort of exported as one. Okay, exported as one. Let's check. Okay, as you can see, let's click on it to view. Make sure. Okay, it's still, is it still downloading? Let's see. It looks like it's done. Let's check it on downloads. Okay, I think here is it. Here is it. Okay, as you can see, guys, okay, we are going to use this. Okay, so this is the combination of graphic design and coding skills. Okay, they go hand in hand. Okay, just a moment, let's see how it looks like. As you can see, guys, okay, I'm not sure why it loads this twice. As you can see, nobody can tell if this is the artwork or what is it. Nobody can tell. I'm happy with that. Then let's close this. Okay, let me copy this image. I will use it. And then where do I want to go? I want to okay, let me just this is taking some time. Let's see, coded UI. Let's see what are we going to get there. Okay, this is my channel where I teach people how to do whatever they want to do with Figma. Okay, the skills that I've showed you, I can teach you here. Please check here and subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's continue, guys. Okay, back to business. So I want to first put the image in asset. Okay, let's see, where is public. Okay, public, and then let me go to asset and reveal in Explorer. All right, and I'm here. Let me click on asset and let me paste. And then I'm going to rename this. Let me rename it on Visual Studio Code. Okay, come here and rename this to TV. Okay, cool beans. You've just learned a new skill, a designing skill. Okay, now you are going to learn the tricks of the trade. Okay, how we combine web development and graphic design. So this is what we are going to do. Step number 1 done. Okay, I'm happy with that. Step number 2, let's bend the concept. Okay, let's bend the concept. I think we are going to use the same concept that we have used with this. Let me just show you with this. Okay, whatever that we did here, we are going to some sort of use the same concept here. Okay, so let's bend the concept. So what I'm going to do, I have this picture. My apologies about that. Let me choose a black one. I've got this picture. Okay, let's see, I've got this picture. Okay, obviously there is nothing inside it. Okay, it's like empty, as you can see. It's a PNG. Okay, so what we are going to do, this is the first layer. Okay, we need a container that will contain everything. Okay, we need a container that will contain everything. Okay, let me put it like this. Okay, that will contain everything. All right, and then we are going to have a video here. Okay, now okay, this is some sort of a video showing you that I hope my drawing skills are on point. Okay, so this is the video. So we are going to have a video tag here. This is going to be a video tag. This is the PNG file. I apologize about this PNG. The PNG is transparent here. Okay, that means you can see through. So we are going to use let's just quickly give these some name. This is let's call this a TV wrapper. Okay, and then this is going to be a video tag. As you can see here, this is going to be the PNG. So what we need to do, this container must be positioned relative. Okay, now I know why. I know you know why we are positioning it relative. Simply because we are going to position this one absolute. When this is absolute, okay, when this is absolute, this element will some sort of gain some superpowers, okay, such that we can move it anywhere we want to. Okay, if there were people queuing in here, okay, once we position this guy absolute, all of a sudden this guy gains some powers, okay, some floating powers. Now he is some sort of floating in the sky, as you can see. Okay, this guy is happy, he's floating in the sky. Okay, he's an angel. I hope you get the idea, meaning that once this guy is floating, we can shift him to anywhere else in the world. Okay, now that this is going to be absolute, that means we can shift it and put it exactly here. Okay, we can put the video card or the video element exactly here. Okay, now it's on top of it, okay, which is going to be a problem. What we want to do, we want to use the Z index. Okay, the Z index, the Z index will put it behind the TV of a negative number. Okay, Z index of a negative number, and then we are going to shape it until it feels like it's right there behind that TV. I hope you do get the point. So what is important? The red container, this must be relative, this must be absolute, and the Z index of this one must be negative, and of this one must be some sort of positive. This can be positive 1, this can be negative 1, so that this could feel like it's behind this. Okay, I hope you do get that. Now let's continue, guys. Okay, by the way, don't forget I've got a 10-hour coaching course where I can teach you everything one-on-one. Okay, you can just come here and then give me your name and your email, and that is it. Okay, let's proceed. So let's go to here. Okay, so what's the first thing that we're going to do? The first thing that we're going to do is to create a section. Okay, we want a page section. This is a page section, as you can see. So let's go to this page and let's use a page section. And where are we going to use it? It's going to be the next one here. Let me just copy this, guys. Okay, and as you can see, we've just got a section. Okay, let me just type something there. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. Do I have to import this section? Okay, everything is here. Nice. And then let's change this to a white color so that we can see everything. Text white. Cool beans. Let's just go back to the mockup and see what is there. Okay, let's go down. As you can see, guys, there is this division line. It looks like also here there is a division line. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm happy with that. But I don't see my text here because it's white. That's not much of a problem. What I'm going to do, I am going to have a container here, a div container. Okay, I am going to, what's property children? Okay, is missing. Okay, so what I'm going to do, class name, it looks like class name. I think there's my computer is slow. My computer is a bit slow. I hope that is not going to affect you. Okay, class name, this is what I want. And then from there, I want a BG black. Okay, the width of this, the width I want it to be 100%. The width I want it to be 100%. Or let me just say width of full. Okay, for now, let me make the height of, let's say 400 pixels. Okay, we just want to see something, and then let's put this inside. Let's go back and see what's there. As you can see, guys, we've just got another section. Okay, as you can see, this section has got also a division line. Okay, let's look. Is our division line? As you can see, our division line looks like it's a bit bigger. Okay, let me just take a water break, guys. Okay. Okay. So I am trying to position myself as well so that I can be comfortable. Okay, so let's see, guys. Let's continue. So as you can see, our divider is a little bit bigger. So we are going to change the divider in one place and it's going to change everywhere. That is called reusability. Okay, let's go back. Da, 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 da. Let's see. I'm happy with this. And then let's continue, guys. Okay. What I want to do, I want to use the image here. Okay, let's see how big is this. Approximately, you can say 70% of the screen. Okay, cool beans. Let's say width. The height, where is the height? Which is for, which not here. Here. The height is 400. Let's just make it, the height will be 70. Is it 70%? Yes, I think. Let's see. I think 70% can work. Okay, let's scroll up. Now the height of 70% doesn't really work because, okay, I understand. Let's see, instead of 70%, let's say the height of 70% view height. Okay, I know why it doesn't work. As you can see, this is 70%. I'm happy with this. Okay, the TV will be here. Let's just check here. Yeah, I think this is somewhat the same. Okay, let me do this so that I can see. This must be here. Let's see. Okay, somewhat there. Okay, let's make it 80. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the correct. So 75 will work. Now let's put the image inside. Let's use Next.js image. Next.js image. I think we have used this before. On the header, we have used a Next.js image. We can just copy this and come here and paste this. Okay. Make sure we import the image from Next.js, and then everything works well. come back here. Where is the image? Let's check. I think this takes time to reload. Okay, as you can see, here is the image. I'm happy with this. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to replace that image with logo. Let's type tv.png. Okay, let's just double check if this is tv.png 100%. Go back and see. This is going to refresh, even though it's taking some time. Okay, let's see. All right, it's going to refresh and it's going to show that TV. Let's continue. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to create this container. Okay, the TV wrapper. This is the one to the JPG, and we have to create the video. So let's start with the TV wrapper so that we can wrap the image. My apologies about that. So now we can wrap the image. Okay, so my apologies about that. So say ID. As you know by now that these IDs, we're using them just to label our containers or our divs. TV wrapper. Okay, I'm happy with this. This just wraps the TV. It does nothing for now. Okay, let's just go back and see before we save. Okay, before we save, let's see. It looks like the computer is slow. Okay, error failed, pass src.asset. Next image. Okay, I understand that. I am on a different folder here. I'm on a different page, okay, than the folder that I copied from. So this is my very quick fix. I can just put a dot here. I am just assuming that I just need to be one level up, and that is it. Okay, that's my quick assumption. If it doesn't work, then obviously I have to see. Okay, error, fail page. Okay, not a problem. Now let's go and investigate. Okay, we copy this from header. Okay, and the header is in component, so the header bounces one folder up so that it can let's see, yes, it bounces one folder up so that it can access the assets. Okay, let's see, folder up. Okay, let me just check my spellings first. Where do I want to be? I want to be here. Isn't this the main page? Okay, let's see. Yes, this is the main page. It's not even inside a folder. Okay, let me just put a /. Okay, so the main page is not even inside a folder. Okay, as you can see, this is the main page. This is where we are. Let's just go back. As you can see, guys, okay, my apologies about that mistake. This is the image being rendered. Okay, I'm happy with this, but I'm not happy by the time it takes. Maybe it's because I'm saving something in the background. Okay, let's see if this is too much. This is too much. This is too much. Okay, this is too much. Okay, let me check but this is too much. It has got nothing to do with the internet. Okay, it has got nothing to do with the internet. Okay, Okay, I think the TV has loaded, but the width and height it's not like proper. Okay, I think it has loaded. This doesn't mean it's still loading. I think the width and height it's the one that is a problem. So I just need to adjust that. Set TV, yes, okay. So I've got the wrapper. So now I will need okay. Now let me make my background gray a little bit. Let's see, because now I can't really see my TV because everything is black. Let me just go here. Okay, let's see which gray would fit or go hand in hand with this one. Okay, as you can see. Okay, it must be black, but not too black. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I see. So okay. Happy with this. Okay, looks like we can still see it. Okay, now let me go back here, and then instead of this black, let me use this color. Okay, come back here. Now suppose this is supposed to refresh. As you can see, guys, now I'm starting to see the TV. Okay, I'm happy with that. This is the width of 300. Let me just make the width of 600 and see how big is it going to be. What about the height? What about the height? Let me make the height of 600 as well. Just nope. Yes, let's see. How big is it going to be? Okay, how big is it going to be? Somewhat like it. Okay, somewhat like it. Okay, I can just make this is 6. Let's make it 5 at least. Okay, but we're getting there, guys. Okay, we're getting there. I'm happy with this. And then what we want to do now, do we have the wrapper? Yes, now we need the TV. Okay, let's use a video tag, as a self-closing tag, and we're going to put src, and then from there let's just go here. Okay, let's be the front-end engineers. Let's do some investigation, okay, or some digging in. Let's see how the Netflix engineers think. Okay, this is an image. Okay, somehow check what is this with animation. This is a video tag. Okay, let me try. Okay, there's no need. Okay, there's no need. Okay, so as you can see, this is the source. This is the src. What we can do, let's copy this src and just run it here. As you can see, guys, this is the video. Okay, we got the video. Cool beans. Let's go back to our code. Let's put it inside this src and see. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, is this trying to refresh or what? Is this trying to refresh? Let's see. As you can see, guys, nice. We've just got the video. Okay, here is the video. Okay, here is the video. And then what we said, let's go back to our notes. This must be relative. This one and this one must be absolute. Let's quickly do that. Where is the wrapper? Okay, do you have a CSS class? No. Okay, class name. Let's just make you relative. And the video, do you have a class name? No. Let's just make you absolute. Okay, let's see. Okay, it looks like nothing happened. I don't mind about that. Let's move this to the top left and top right. Top of 0 and top 0 and left 0. Okay, let's see, where is it going to move? Remember, we said it's going to gain superpowers, as you can see, guys. Okay, now we are getting there. Remember about the Z index. Let's quickly do that. Let's give this a Z index on Tailwind. Z index, this is Z index of 0. We need a negative Z index. I don't know if there is a number between 1 and what. Let's just use 10. We just need a negative Z index. Okay, we just need are we winning with a negative Z index? Are we winning? Looks like it's far at the back. Okay, I think it's behind this black part. Okay, which, yes, it has to be at the back, but only at the back of the TV. Okay, so what we can do, let's take the TV. Let's take the TV, class name of the TV. Okay, let's just take the TV and push its Z index to what? Let's push it to positive 20, so that this one cannot be minus 10. It can be just positive 10. As you can see, this is like some sort of 20 units, okay, above this one. Let's see, guys, and come back. Okay, now with Tailwind, it might happen, I'm just losing it in terms of, does 20 mean far back, or 20 means far? Let's see. Dot minus 20, it means that index is 20. Yes, and then set 20, it means that minus is 20. Okay, let me just use my own mind. Let me just apply my own mind. If I was using CSS directly, this is what I was going to do. The image, yes, I think I got this wrong. No, guys, it's my fault. This doesn't make sense. The image needs to be in front. Yes, in front. Okay, let me apply my own mind. In my mind, I was going to put this image so that it can be in the front, and this one, even if it can be -1, this was going to work. It's supposed to go to the back. The one that has got the negative Z index is supposed to go to the back, but it must not go to the back of that black, this one. Okay, it must not be like let's see, something is just not adding up here. I don't know why. Okay, let me think then. This is challenging me to really think. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what if this one is negative. The video must be negative because it must move with the back. Let me refresh. Maybe the site is not refreshing. Okay, it's taking some time. I apologize about that, but I want to see this frame here on top. Okay, that's what I want to see. What must be at the front? Yeah. Okay, can I use CSS to solve this problem? What is minus? Do we have such a thing? Looks like we don't have. We only have 10. Tailwind now has got me. Okay. Tailwind now has got me. This is behind everything. Okay. Let me make this minus 10, but this one must be greater than minus 10 then. Let's see. Z index, which is this one, must be minus 20. Okay, this one must be at the far back, this one in the middle, and this one on top. Okay. Okay, Tailwind, please respond and tell us if we are doing things right. If it doesn't respond, guys, I will have to default to pure CSS. Okay, with pure CSS, this is going to be simpler. Okay, I don't know how Tailwind has manipulated the Z index. I really don't know. Okay, let me just default to let me just default to let's see. Here is the video. The video is there, but the Z index is minus 12. Of course, I understand that. And what about the image? Okay, the Z index is 20. Okay, yes. And then in terms of the video, where is the video? TV wrapper image and the video. Okay, what if this could be positive 10? What if this could be 1? Okay, okay, let's say this is minus 1. Happy with that. And then where is the TV? Is the TV positive? Yes. Okay, is the TV positive? Why this doesn't take effect? Okay, and then let's go to the background, to the back color, not this one. Okay, let's see, do we have to give this a Z index? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, it looks like. Okay, it looks like the TV wrapper needs also a Z index, and if we can give it a Z index of 10, everything that we want will work. Okay, I was just trying there, testing my luck, and it looks like I've pressed the right button. Saved by the bell. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's see. Where is the TV wrapper? Okay, Z index of 10. Okay, it looks like. Okay, as you can see, even though we can refresh, now everything is supposed to show here exactly the way it was showing. Okay, suppose, and then we're going to adjust the height of the video. Where is everything? Command Tailwind, you have interesting. Or maybe it was because I have made some. No, this was positive. This was positive according to what I did there. All right. So what we want to do, as you can see, guys, now we are winning. Okay, let me just shift the mic and take a water break. Okay, thanks for understanding. Now we're getting there. Let's resize the TV so that it fits exactly right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see, guys. What I want to do. Where is the TV? This is the video. Do we have the width and height of the video? Not really. Okay, let's go there. The width of the video, make it a custom width. For now, let's just make it 300 pixel and see what will happen. Nice, this is what I want. Okay, then if this is 300, let's make it we don't have to double up. Let's make it 500 and see. Excuse me, it looks like 500 is too much. Let's see. 4 is somewhere there. Okay, make it 350 then. We are getting there, it looks like. But 300 was small. Okay, let's say 220. Let's see. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Now let's push this to the right a little bit. Where is left? Left. Let's make left of, say, 90 pixels and see. Let's see, guys. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. I hope you can see where this is going. We are winning, guys. We are winning. Okay, and then okay, the other thing that I'm going to do, where is the background? This is with full and this, and then am I using this z-index? Let's see. Remember, I was trying a lot of things. I don't think that z-index is useful. Okay, and then what I want, let me just center things. Okay, I've got I've created my own CSS style. Okay, custom style, which just center things. Okay, so I've centered things. Let's go back here, and then what I want to shift this a little bit. Okay, I'm happy with this. Now it's 90. Let's make it 95 and see. Happy with this. Now, as you can see, we are only like left with this small thing. Okay, what we can do, since the video has got its own aspect ratio that we don't really have to change it, okay, or it might be a mission and a half to change it, we can work with our image. We can work with it using the inspector. This is how we are going to do it. Okay, this is the width. Don't we have it here in style? Okay, no. So I want to work on the width. This is 500. Let's say 510. Okay, to boost it up a little bit. Okay, as you can see, guys, nice, it fits perfectly. Okay, let's go back to the width. Where is the width of the image? Okay, let's make this 510 and then go back here. Okay, as you can see, guys. Okay, now this video doesn't play. Okay, this one plays, our video doesn't play. Okay, let's go back and see what we can do. Okay, let's go back and see what we can do. Where is the video card? In the video card, let's just type autoplay. There is nothing like it here. This is a video card, yes. Okay, let me just type play. Okay, play. Where is autoplay? Okay, let's see. Autoplay, where are you hiding? Okay, autoplay. Here is autoplay. Okay, let's see, guys. After it's going to refresh, what's going to happen? I'm crossing fingers. Maybe it's slow. Is my system still slow? Let's see. Okay, it's supposed to start automatically. Okay, autoplay, you are not working. Is it me or what? Let's inspect. Sometimes Chrome doesn't want to play videos without the consent of the user. Sometimes that happens. Okay, sometimes. Let's check us in the console. Okay, for not found. I hope Chrome is not telling us that it's against the rules. Okay, image asset TV has either width or height modified, but not the other. Okay. Okay, I don't mind about other things as long as we don't get any thing from that one. And then let's check. Okay, we've got everything. Got the class name, width and height, absolute top, and what. I'm happy with these. Now it looks like autoplay doesn't want to work. Okay, let me just check. Not only I want it to autoplay, I want it to loop as well. Okay, let me just refresh. Okay, isn't there an option for showing controls? Let's see. Let me type controls. Let me just click controls. Then using controls, I can play it. As you can see, guys, okay, using controls, I can play it. But it's behind, so it's not easy to play it because it's not in front. Okay, what is it? And it took longer. Okay, slow network is detected. Yeah, there is some sort of slow network. Okay. Oh, now I see. Okay, this video loads from the network. Okay, not a problem. So what I'm going to do, since I can't play this video, I am assuming that this image is blocking me. Okay, let me try to tell the image to what can I say, not to what can I say, to ignore the click event. I'm not sure if that is possible, but let's try. What can I say? Let's say type event, pointer event none. So meaning that whenever I press on this image, I can be able to press something that is behind it. As you can see, guys, we are winning. Okay, as you can see, nice, we are getting there. I am happy with this. We have just replicated, okay, the Netflix TV. Okay, I wish I could play these side by side. Okay, we've created our own. Okay, this is Netflix one and this is our own. Okay, nice, guys, we're getting there. Okay, now the only thing that we want, I think the looping now is working, guys. I'm not sure if it's me or okay, I think now the looping is working. Let's see, it's going to start from scratch. Yes. Okay, yeah, I think it's because the reason why it didn't start, it's because Chrome has got some, Google have got some rules as to when is the browser going to play some multimedia files. Okay, it needs some sort of a kickstart from the user. A user must do something before they play the music. Okay, it makes sense if you look at it. Imagine if you get into any browser and you've got your volume up and all of a sudden there is a noise that you don't like. Okay, you didn't press anything, it's going to be a problem. I think the reason why it didn't make an autoplay, it was that, but that's not much of a problem. At least we've got everything to work fine. Let's see. Okay, maybe I need this auto. Let me check first. Let me remove the controls. Okay, there are no controls, but it works now. Okay, without those controls, let me refresh. Suppose there are no controls. Let's see, is it going to start with autoplay? Okay, it looks like it doesn't start. Then again, I think Chrome wants the user to press something. Okay, let me try this. Okay, and type equal to true and type it. Okay, I know there is a way to bypass this and reinforce things, but obviously guys, this is just a tutorial. You can make more research on it. Okay, more research on it, on how can you get this to force, okay, bypass Chrome's or Google's restriction. But usually that comes here. Okay, it used to throw an error here to tell you that for more details phone will be used. Okay, no problem. For not found. Image src failed to load the resource. GitHub. Okay, okay guys, at least you get the idea, and I'm happy with this. Let's just bring back the controls. Okay, just bring back the controls and let it run. Okay, and then what we're going to do, let's continue guys and